Welcome to the Introduction to Blog Posts tutorial. Today, you will learn how blog posts work on your website. The topics covered in today's tutorial are 1. Introduction to blog posts, 2. How your website uses blog posts, and 3. Explaining the posts dashboard. Topic 1. Introduction to blog posts. Blog posts are posts that you can create from within your website's backend to display on your website's front end for all your visitors to read. I'll show you an example of a blog post now, here on the Chiropractor website. Blog posts are useful in communicating information and news to your audience, or for writing tutorials about any topic you'd like to discuss. Blog posts, if implemented correctly, can be beneficial in your website's search engine rankings. Topic 2. How your website uses blog posts. Your website uses blog posts created in the Posts dashboard to display on a single post template on your website's front end. All blogs appear in the same format that has been created for your website. Generally, this is a title, featured image, and a description for the blog. Topic 3. Explaining the Posts dashboard. To view the Posts dashboard, log into your website's backend. Now that you are viewing your home dashboard, click on the Posts menu tab on the left side of the screen. This will open the Posts dashboard. Here, you will see all existing posts. You can edit those posts, add new posts, or delete existing posts. You will be able to see the author, category, tags, comments, and date of the post here too. To add a new post, please view the How to Add a New Blog Post tutorial. You've now been introduced to how blog posts work on your website.